Okay, so I'm going to record a little video for you to show you about some of the features on your Newline board. I'm in your room, but you're not here. That is okay, because I will record a video instead. So I noticed that you have your stuff synced, which is awesome because you have all of your bookmarks up top, which is great. One of my favorite features is Classroom Screen. So classroomscreen.com has all of these great features that you can use, such as a random name picker. You can do a sound level, you can draw on it. Work symbols I love, like I put this silent if you're not supposed to be talking or if it's group work. And then you also have fun things. Get rid of this, like timers. So it's a great way to have a class timer without having to go to Google. You can have a voice traffic light, you can have a sand timer, all of that fun stuff. So Classroom Screen, I bookmarked it for you. That is one of my favorite features on the Newline board. The other thing I wanted to show you is my absolute favorite feature. So it's annotating and text coding on a PDF. When you typically just do this button in the corner, right here, it just allows you to annotate and text code on the screen, but then it gets rid of it. So when you are done or you move the screen, it moves with it, which isn't very practical. So what I do is I always save whatever I want to do as a PDF, and then I put it on my desktop. So for instance, I just went to Google and I Googled 30 team building PDF, and I got this PDF file. Then what you're gonna do is you are going to download it right here, and I saved it to your desktop. So then I'm going to open it on your desktop, right there. And then once you are here, you are able to annotate and text code directly on the screen using the draw or the highlight feature. And when you highlight or when you draw on it, it keeps and saves the annotation. So when I use two fingers and scroll up or down, it keeps the annotations there. It doesn't get rid of them. And then you're able to save this file with those annotations. So like I said, this is one of my favorite features. The last thing I'm going to show you is the whiteboard. So the whiteboard feature is this pencil right here. And this whiteboard feature I teeter and toggle between using this right here. It brings you back to your screen, then click it again. So I use it for checklist, to-do list, if kids are working out problems. And then it's got some great features too. If you click these three dots, you've got, can add image, add text, add a sticky note, so you can have kids do like a check-in. Then you can add a document, you can search the web and add directly to it. You could use a ruler, you can add files, so this is a great tool as well. You can change the thickness of the pen the same way you do on the Newline board. You've got tons of different shapes you can use. And then one of my other favorite features is if you hold down this plus sign, you have lots of different whiteboards you can use. So you can have a line, hit add, so you have different backgrounds. Not only that, you can do different colors. So if you want to be old school, you can do a blackboard instead of a whiteboard. I like that it saves all of these as well. So if you're doing something in class and you want to save it so you have a copy of it, that's awesome. And then you can teeter between all of your different pages, which is pretty cool. You obviously have your erase features and things like that. So I use the whiteboard to go over the whiteboard, classroom screen, and annotating on a PDF. Hope that was helpful, and I hope to see you soon.